Hi there. In this short video, we're going to learn how to pronounce the word gorgeous. Gorgeous is an adjective that means beautiful or attractive. The first syllable, gore, is pronounced with an open O sound, like in the word orange. The second syllable is just, and it's pronounced with a J sound, like in the word jealous. So, when you put it all together, you get the word gorgeous. Did you notice where the word stress is for gorgeous? The answer is the first syllable, G-O-R, gored. Let's try it together. Repeat after me. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. Here's a sentence example. She looked absolutely gorgeous in her new dress. Great job. Now, you know how to pronounce the word gorgeous. Please click the like button and thank you for supporting Single Step English.